just listen to me. There's a lot of people who think that they know how to do stuff, like how to use the scanner. Bro, I can pretty much, like, again, 99.99.99999 guarantee you that you that's looking at me in the camera, I'm not trying to dog you out, but I'm pretty sure you don't know how to use the scanner the way I know how to use it. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video show. Boy, Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video, man. Shout out to the whole entire Hustle Nation. Shout out to Copart, man. I love y'all. We about to get right into it. Follow me on TikTok, We Hustle Daily. Y'all already know we got to go through this. Follow me on TikTok, We Hustle Daily. Follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. And make sure you go to whdacademy.com, right? Because when you go to the website, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to properly inspect a car, how to spot the lemons, you know, what to stay away from, all my tips and tricks when it comes to this auction game, right? I'm going to show y'all how to buy and sell buy cars from Copart and the insurance auto auction without a dealer license. I got 3 packages on there for y'all. So y'all make sure y'all check out the website, all right? Check out the testimonials too, because you know, I've been helping a lot of people out. Now, if you don't go to the website, you most likely gonna end up on the side of the road. I'm gonna just tell you the truth. I don't care if you're trying to buy a car from Craigslist, Facebook, like I keep telling y'all, like I'm 99.99999999999. Y'all seen the calculator, like the nines, they go all the way over there. That's the percentage that you most likely gonna get a lemon if you don't go to WHD Academy. So now that I told y'all that secret, don't tell nobody I told y'all that, because I'm giving out a lot of game on WHD Academy. So just keep that to yourself. All right, appreciate it. Man, this can't be the car, bro. Oh no, not this Lexus. Okay. We gotta look for a Lexus today, but it's not that one. All right. So what do we have here? No, not you. You, the older one. We got a G35 or 37. Let's see. We got to see what year it is and everything. Okay, we got a G37X, 2009, 184 on the miles. Now, it has a rebuilt title. I don't know why, but it does. So, what do y'all think about the Q, though? I used to want one of these, but not so much no more. Infinity. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know, Infinity. We don't know about you anymore, my friend. What do you guys think? It has both. Okay, I like the lights that's in there. Money. All right, back to this. 184 on the miles, man. It's kind of dirty in here. They need to clean it up a little bit. Do you got some power? It looks like you do. So let's pop the hood. Let's look in the back. Okay, it needs to be cleaned up. I kind of like the wood trim that's on the door. It's straight. It's different. Plastic, but looks different. What is that? Oh, the trim. So you have to put some glue right there. Glue it. Ooh. It'll be good. We got a paper towel. Let's see. You gonna crank up for us or what, though? That's what we really want to see. Damn it, guys. All right. I might crank it. Let's see. Hold on. We might. Let me see, though. Let me look up under the hood. So I have to walk all the way back up there and ask them. Who got whdacademy.com? I know I don't crank cars that don't got no power, but why would I crank this one? Why? Who done got the academy? We're gonna see in the comments. Let me see if I'm gonna crank it. If not, y'all see me at the next car, which is right here. Actually, we're gonna go back to that one. We're gonna come back to you. The next car is right here. Yup. Well, like they just put the brand new lights on it and painted it. 2005. I don't know what the miles said. It's scratched off. It say 118. It got some type of wheels on it, but as you can see, boy, the tires is horrible. This is a 2005 118 on the miles. I don't know why it's scratched off though. Damn, what the hell happened to you, boy? Ooh, big tree smacked him. Little Civic. Y'all know these got little. These ain't your best Civics right here, but you know, if you get it good, you get it good. Damn, the back tires are way better than the front tires. I can't believe they was riding that long like that. Power or no? Oh, we got a little power, y'all. Let's see. Not enough though. Little power. This one got less power than that one over there. So we're gonna check this one out. We're gonna check this one out. Let me see if it's worthy, if it passes the test. Oh, I just now seen this a little dent. Hey, you know what else? After I buy a car, I be noticing, like, after I buy it, I be noticing more stuff on it. Like, when I'm in the auction, I be just want to know if it ride or not. You feel me? So, I'll be back in a minute. Y'all give me 1 second. I'm about to see if this is worthy enough to crank up, all right? All right. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, we found our Lexus that we wanted to look at, guys and girls and guys. Okay. Wouldn't mind bringing this one home here. Let's see if it crank up though. Oh, and by the way, it's gonna be a no for the Infinity. Go to wehustledaily.com. Let's see though, ES350. Oh, I like this one. Oh, we like this one, Hustle Nation, man. We might. Please got power, bruh. I don't see nothing lighting up though. And that look like that's on door, don't it? It ain't lit up. We gonna see though. It smell good in here. Everything, bruh. This would be perfect. Oh, and that's another thing. Oh yeah, I told y'all in the video already. My bad. Last video. I told y'all already. What year is this thing, man? So these though ain't really really popular to me like that. 06. It look good though, man. 05, my bad. 05 330. ES 330. Please have power, man. Some power, at least a little bit. I don't care how good a car look, y'all. That joint don't got no power. I'm gonna leave it right where it's at, though. I got to. Can't take no chances and mess up nothing, bro. So these boys, goddamn. All right, y'all, I'll be back. All right, we got a Dodge Challenger here, 2015. They got the little stripes and stuff added to it on the hood. They put the Challenger right there. Got the little nose things. What you call them things? I forgot them things. What's these things called? The little hood, nose, whatever things called. And watch somebody get in the comments. You don't know anything about cars. How are you trying to sell WHD Academy and you don't even know what those are? And who gives a damn what those is called? Shit. WHD Academy gonna teach you not how to be on the side of the road, not what the damn things is called on the damn hood. Who cares? You feel me? But check out the damage right here, man. We got some damage on the door. It don't look like it was this guy's fault, man. We probably can give you Mopar guys a break on this one. He put the 22s on there. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like these wheels on the paint. It actually looks pretty good if you ask me. If you ask me. Let's see what we got in the back. Back all toe up from the flow up. Wheel tilted. Everything, man. Let's see, we got a buckle right here. Buckle check if... Is that a R? Or that a V? Related? Related. Okay, if related, I guess. Yeah, so y'all can see the damage here. You got a sunroof up top. Looks good. 2015. 90,000 miles on this thing. They definitely was riding it. I ain't gonna lie, I like those wheels, y'all, on this car. I do think that this is just a regular V6. We can double check and make sure, but I'm pretty sure it is gonna be a V6. Let's see what the interior looking like. 94. Oopsie. 1,000 miles up. Fell back. But this actually damage is not too bad, y'all. This probably can be fixed real good, and you know, suspension components or something like that. Let's see if we can see. Damn, it broke off. So that's what it was. It just broke off. So you might be able to put that back together, give it an alignment. This thing might be riding. Oh, I can't put that back because of that's the back bumper. Here's your seats. It ain't got nothing on the seats or nothing like that. You got power. We got music. How the heck these turn this down, man? Gotta turn you off, Pooh Shiesty. Gotta turn you off, man. Yep, V6, y'all. Motor look good and sound good. Have 90,000 miles on it, man. Some of these motors be looking crazy. Is something missing right here? I don't know. But we got a regular V6, you know. So it ain't the V8 like y'all like. But is the trunk even open? I think the trunk stayed open, yeah. So I don't think the trunk even closed all the way. It doesn't. So y'all see it, man. We got this one here, Copart for y'all. I don't even see no check engine light on it. Automatic thing gonna go up for me. All right, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the Challenger right here. Let me know in the comments below, man. We're gonna keep it moving. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got another Toyota Camry. Why don't we? It's the hood's already open. Why don't we? Got some nice, clean, fresh headlights. Flipping the Camrys, man. I've been your Camry man lately, man. Whoa. What the hell happened to the top? Or the what you call it? You know, cooling in there. It's an old, I can't see. 02. Okay. Good tires. Sunroof. Excuse me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Bless me. Thank you. It's the LE version. Good tires. Man, I like it. I don't know why the damn cap is missing. We gotta check it out. Well, what the hell is that on the floor over there? Let's see what this is. So we got some tape. Just kind of crank this thing up. Awesome. What is that? Some oil? All type of stuff. It's not that dirty though. Let's see. This thing cranked up. I think we got some power. Seen some power. 98,000 miles on the 2002. Oh, it was kind of dirty though. Hell no. To the no. All right, guys. So, sorry, I'm trying to, get this off. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys with all my heart and soul. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. There ain't nothing else out here. Y'all hear how the Camry sound. 98,000 miles sounded like that. Come on, Camry. But they probably just didn't take care of it though. But that y'all can hear that thing is ticking and tricking. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, man. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Again, man, that's where you're gonna go to learn how to buy and sell cars, learn how to check out cars, and learn how to properly inspect cars. Because a lot of people think, I ain't even got my header blockers on today, but just listen to me. There's a lot of people who think that they know how to do stuff, like how to use the scanner. Bro, I can pretty much, like, Again, 99.99.999999. Guarantee you that you that's looking at me in the camera, I'm not trying to dog you out, but I'm pretty sure you don't know how to use the scanner the way I know how to use it. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. I appreciate you. I love you. It's your boy Ray. Big play, Rizzy in the house to Dizzy. I'm out. Pizzazz.